Hello, fabulous people. I am Danietta, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing my morning skincare routine. I've been asked some questions about what I use to take care of my skin, and so I wanted to come and share those things with you. But before we get started, let's make this thing official. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and turn the notifications on. If you don't turn the notifications on, then you won't know when I've uploaded a new video, and there's no fun in that. That's like asking for somebody's phone number in the club or at a party, and then you never call them. So let's make this thing official. All right? All right. So earlier this year, I noticed that my skin was starting to go through some changes. Specifically, I noticed that I was starting to get whiteheads around my jawline area. So not only was I suffering from abnormal pimples that I have not had in probably about 20 years, because I haven't suffered from acne since I was in middle school, maybe early high school, and I'm 39. So believe me when I say, like, when my skin started acting up, I paid attention. I was like, what is going on? And not only was I suffering from breakouts along my jawline, when they would heal, they would leave dark spots. So acne and discoloration, it was not the bee's knees, and I had to get on it. I reached out to a friend of mine. She's a dermatologist. We went to college together, and she gave me some suggestions as to the type of ingredients that I should look for in my skincare product. So I formulated me a new skincare routine, and I'm happy to say that my skin has improved like 98% compared to what it was at the beginning of the year. So I'll probably drop a picture in here somewhere so that you guys can actually see the breakouts. It actually got so bad that I was like, I have to take a picture of this because nobody's gonna believe me. Like, it was just out of control. However, my recommendation to you is, if you feel like you're suffering from a skin condition that over-the-counter products aren't helping and things aren't getting better for you, then go see a dermatologist. It'll probably save you a lot of time and a lot of money, because I did have to switch out a few products until I found the appropriate or the right concoction to help start to improve my skin. And so nobody wants to waste their time or their money. So that's just my little tidbit of information. All right, so let's get started and let's go through these products. First up on the list is a foaming facial cleanser by CeraVe. I really love this product. You can get it for about 11 bucks at Target. What I like about this is a gentle cleanser. It cleans my skin, but it doesn't leave that dry or harsh strip feeling that you can get from some type of cleansing products. And if you've ever experienced that, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So even though my skin is heavily oily, it can sometimes be sensitive, and I'll get red irritation, discoloration around my nose area specifically if I use something that's too harsh. With this, I don't have that problem. This has a lot of active ingredients in it that were specific to the type of skin condition that I was trying to clear up. It has in it niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and 3 essential ceramides. And so those products not only help calm any congestion that you may have in your skin, they actually help your skin retain moisture. In my quest to reformulate my skincare routine, I found a product line. The product line is called The Ordinary. I really like their products. They're very inexpensive. You can get this for about $6. Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. And so, like I mentioned with my foaming facial cleanser, this helps calm any congestion that you may have in your skin, any inflammation, and it also helps with the sebum production in your skin. So sebum is, it's not solely oil, but if people think about it, they're gonna think mostly about the oil production in their skin. And so this helps your pores not produce as much oil, which in turn, for me, gave me the benefit of not having as many breakouts because my pores were not getting as clogged, especially in this chin area. Because if I'm honest, like, I do that. Even though I'm not supposed to be touching my face because we're in a world pandemic, it's sort of a habit that I've developed, especially when I'm at work. So the niacinamide in my facial cleanser, as well as this, has been a lifesaver. So I just take this. It comes in what I'm gonna call like a little droplet. I let this sit on my face for about a minute or two so that my skin can absorb it before I move on to the next step in my routine. But again, this is very inexpensive and I really can tell a difference. I've been using this for about 2 months as well. I can really tell a big difference in my skin overall. Next up in my morning skincare routine is vitamin C. So this is a vitamin C by CeraVe. It has, let's see, 10% pure vitamin C. So there's a lot of different formulations of vitamin C that you can get. But again, I got this one because I read awesome reviews about it, just like I did with the foam and facial cleanser. And I could easily get it at Target. So when you're in the middle of a world pandemic and Sephora and all the other stores are shut down, but Target is still going, you realize how special and near and dear Target is to your heart, because it was already special, but it had pretty much everything that I needed at the time that I needed to get it, right? So you can get this at Target. This is gonna cost you about 20 bucks. But again, this is probably gonna be a staple in my skincare routine until the day I die. Vitamin C gives you the benefits of, if you use it over a period of time, your skin can appear brighter, it can appear firmer, and it will help minimize any discoloration that you may be suffering from. Next up in my routine in the mornings, I use this Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Spot Treatment. So because I was suffering from acne breakouts around my jawline, I picked this product because it has salicylic acid in it, and that is really good for helping treat acne. But I dab this around the areas where I'm specifically having breakouts. I put the vitamin C all over my skin, but this specifically, I tend to only put it in the areas that I have breakouts. Like if you put this on at night, when you wake up in the morning, you can visibly tell that the size of the pimple has decreased in that short amount of time. But I do not use this at night. So let's be clear. And I'm also gonna do a video for my nighttime skincare routine, and I'll tell you why I don't use this at night, but this is a product that I only use in the morning part of my skincare routine. So next up is a moisturizer. This is the oil-free moisturizer for sensitive skin from Neutrogena. I like this product. I use this in the morning and at night as well, but what I will say is after I finish this, I probably will spend a little bit more time researching an alternate facial moisturizer. Not because of anything that I don't like about this, but just because, like I said, I'm 39 and I just want to really start taking care of my skin and trying to not just prevent breakouts, but preserve. So I want to get ahead of any type of aging that I may encounter. So black doesn't crack, but you still have to take care of your skin. And last but not least in my morning skincare routine is this. I may do like a whole blog post, a whole separate YouTube video on this. This is Black Girl Sunscreen. It is SPF 30. So I take this and I at least put it on my face every day, even if it's a cloudy day, even if I don't think I'm gonna be outside, because protection from the sun is key. What I love about this sunscreen is it's specifically formulated for people of color. And if you are a person of color, then you know exactly what I mean. If I use just the average over-the-counter sunblock sunscreen, even the spray variety, it's gonna show up as a white film on my skin. You can blatantly tell that I put it on. It has an oily look, and sometimes it just, no matter how much you rub it in, it's not going anywhere. And so this goes on clear like my lotion would. So it is white in consistency, but let me tell you, it absorbs into your skin like your lotion would. You're not left with that film, and it is not oily. I've used this on my face. I didn't have any type of breakouts. It didn't make my skin oilier, and we are gonna combat damage that's from the sun. So that is everything that is in my morning skincare routine. I hope that you found that helpful. Maybe if you try some of the products, let me know. I always love to hear feedback from you guys, and I really appreciate it when you do let me know if you tried something that I suggested. If you use something on your skin that you think I might like, or that you think I want to try, or even review on my YouTube channel or my blog, drop it in the comments and let me know. I've been compiling a list of all the things that you all have been telling me, and I promise you I'm going to try to get to every single product. So that is the end of our time. If you have not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn your notifications on so that you will know when I upload a new video. And I'll also come back with part 2, which will be my nighttime skincare routine, because there are some products that I take out that are in my morning skincare routine and add in, and I do that for a very specific reason. And so I will see you all next time. Have a blessed day.